Everyone has a favorite holiday beverage. My favorite holiday beverage is a warm gingerbread latte. My recipe for gingerbread latte is very similar to traditional recipes. The only difference is mine has a little bit of a health twist. So for example, I use coconut sugar instead of cane sugar. I add about 3/4 cups of spring water in order to create the syrup. Then I add in the key ingredients. Blackstrap molasses, and I make sure that it's 100% molasses, no added sulfur. And ground ginger. Those are the two ingredients when it comes to making anything gingerbread flavored. And I top it off with just a little bit of cinnamon powder. I whisk everything together in a small pot over low heat until all the sugar completely dissolves. Be careful though, and don't let the mixture boil. You just want it to come to a low simmer. And now it's time to make your latte. I start off with a heaping tablespoon of freshly made sea moss gel. Sea moss gel has so many incredible benefits to it. And some warm hemp milk. You could also use almond milk or soy milk, but I like to keep this latte Dr. Sebi friendly. And then the best part, 2 tablespoons of the gingerbread syrup. The only thing left to do is to mix everything together with a spoon until it's nice and creamy.